Hey, it's Clay Trader for BullWarriorStocks.com, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SVFC, and we'll look at the daily time frame. So here we're looking at this one. I don't think I've ever done this one before, but very interesting chart setup here taking place. First thing that really catches my eye is the big volume, and to go along with that, the nice price reaction. Nothing worse than seeing big volume come into a stock like this and then having the price either go sideways or worse yet down. That was not the case here. Big volume came in and the price reacted accordingly by having a nice green day. Sure, it didn't close up as high as I'm sure a lot of people wanted it to, but point being, at least it was green and at least it showed it had the ability to move. Whereas lots of stocks around, Pennyland, you'll see volume come in and then it just sits there, or like I said, heads down. But this big volume hit and the price showed it has the potential to move. I'm sure this selling up here was just caused by these probably people that were accumulating down here and just were locking in some profits. So all in all, that's a very important correlation that I think a lot of people kind of overlook and don't really take into consideration. So let's just map out some areas of support and resistance. Support's pretty darn straightforward. The price has recently come down here and basically bottomed out around, we'll just call it 0.0013. So 0013 is going to be the key area of support, because if the price drops below there and closes below it, that just means you've put in a whole new low, and that's not what you want to see. But for the fun stuff, let's talk about some levels of resistance. First level of resistance is going to be right here, and you can see back here acted as support, and then when the price dropped below it, this is just an example of a area of support turning into resistance. So I'm going to change this to red real quick to represent. Let's get this up some more. There we go. Resistance. And again, this level right here is at 002. So 002 is going to be the first key area to get above. Yes, intraday you did break above it, but because we're looking at the daily chart, we care about where the close was. So because you closed below it, still a level of resistance. But the good news is, closed right at 0019. So it's not like the price has to go on a far journey to do battle with this one. Once again, it's right up next to it. So if this volume keeps up, I would not be shocked at all to see this level fail as resistance and have the bulls break through it. So that's why I'm going to leave that a skinny red line. The next level of resistance after that is going to be right up here at approximately the 0027 mark. So that'll be another area of resistance. And then after that, really nothing until the big bad purple line up here, which is a 50-day simple moving average. So one step at a time. I obviously don't want to get too far ahead of myself. If the price gets up here and starts closing above the 50-day simple moving average, I'm sure I'll be back to update the chart at that point in time. But for right now, nice to see that it's bottomed out and starting to show some signs of life. And we'll see if this volume carries into next week. And if it does, keep your eye on these two areas of resistance, and then maybe it'll even get up there. But like I said, one step at a time. First needs to get through these two areas of resistance. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd like to direct your attention down in my private trading group here. What it is, it's a group of traders, so whether you're looking to learn or maybe you're just looking for some weekly trade ideas, it's a good group. Everybody from experienced up to battle-tested veterans. We've been having some great success together. You can read some of the testimonials about that and check it out. Hopefully you decide to join us. But again, just click below, look at the information, and it's a one-time payment. It's nothing like it's every month or every quarter. Just a one-time payment, and you are in for a lifetime membership. So hopefully you decide to check that out and decide to join us. One more time, this was SVFC. Thanks for listening, and have a great weekend.